Today we honor the first generation KHI, Kawasaki Heavy Industries train that has served Singapore faithfully and with dedication for 38 years. So it's a celebration of Singapore's and SMRT history, progress and our journeys together. The C151 fleet, as they were officially known, went on to distinguish themselves over 38 years of service. They carry millions of passengers every day, connecting homes, workplaces and communities, and became an indispensable part of our nation's way of life. So as we bid farewell to the KHI fleet today, we also celebrate the foundation they laid. Their decades of service set the standards of reliability, safety, and efficiency that remain the hallmarks of our MRT network. The rails connect hearts, bringing the past and inspiring the future. The KHI train did more than transport people. They united generations and played a pivotal role in shaping Singapore's growth and progress. Their story will forever be part of Singapore's history. And today, we celebrate both their service and the bright future of train travel in the city.